Taurus, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies ng iyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong April 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading, and please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see. Taurus, what's up inyong kaperahan ngayong April? Crystal, okay. Crystal is about healing. You are purifying, detoxification. Ayan. Maring meron ka nire-release an unhealthy habits or meron ka realization of yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi nakakatulong na sa'yo financially, and also sa performance mo sa trabaho, sa career mo, or sa business mo. Ina-align mo na ngayon yung actions mo towards your goals. Dahil maaring alam mo na kung ano yung gusto mo sa buhay. Kasi minsan pag hindi natin alam kung anong gusto natin sa buhay, parang wala tayong direction no? So some of you will focus on the direction that you want to go to. You also have energy ng Cancer, the doula. So this is being nurturing. You are also taking care of your needs. And also your instinct rin to You are becoming more sensitive, no, pagdating sa paligid mo. Like very observant ka rin na ito hindi to maganda sa akin, hindi to makakabuti, or ito yun makakabuti to, ganon. So it's much easier for you to make decisions. You also have Trine. You're going with the flow. You are harmonizing. Yung iba sa inyo, pagbabalance, no? Binabalance niyo yung energy ninyo. You also, maaaring alam mo yung chill ka lang, at the same time, you are focused. Focus ka sa mga goals mo. Hindi mo ini-stress yung sarili mo. So this is your overall energy. Possible challenge, opportunity, your blessing. Energy ng money, career, money, ito yung career, ito naman yung pag wala kang work. Okay, overall energy, Page of Wands. Someone na very spontaneous. I think ngayong April is very excited ka sa mga mangyayari sa trabaho mo, sa business mo, sa career mo. There's also good news coming in, no? Maaring ito yung hinihintay mo na parang hinihintay mo na break for your career. You also have the Queen of Wands. Very creative, no? I think yung iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong creative ideas or creative plans, ngayong April nyo siya magagawa. Yung iba, you are going on an adventure. And then, overall energy, Three of Wands. This is growth. So, for your career, for your business, makakita ka ng pag-unlad, pagyabong. So, maaring yung trabaho mo, merong salary increase, o kaya naman mas na-enjoy mo yung work mo, or if you have a business, nakikita mo tumataas yung sales, dumadami yung clients mo, or dumadami na yung products mo, yung services mo na ino-offer. Some of you rin, maaring may opportunity abroad, no? If you are wanting to travel abroad or to work abroad, there's good luck here. So, kung talagang desidido ka, i-pursue mo yan kasi marami ka pang matutuklasan. Marami pang naghihintay na opportunity para sa'yo. Your challenge is the Knight of Cups. So, pwedeng ang isa sa maging challenge mo ay relationship. Pwedeng romantic connection. Maaring, yes, things are doing well for your career or business or financial, pero sa relationship mo, maaring may jealousy, no? Yung tipong, minsan kasi yung romantic partners natin, nagiging competitive sila, no? Minsan ay insecure sila, lalo na kung mas nakakaangat ka sa kanila, or mas marami ka na-achieve kaysa sa kanila. So, minsan ay insecure sila. So, that can be a challenge in your relationship. Mm-mm. And then, your opportunity, judgment. So, meron kang opportunity na, may magbago, no? Maaring magbabago yung pananaw mo pagdating sa pag-handle ng pera, or magbabago yung pananaw mo pagdating sa pag-reach mo ng goals mo, no? Pagtupad ng mga pangarap mo. Kasi, judgment is about rebirth. Kung ano yung mga bagay na hindi na nag-work para sa'yo, hindi na applicable sa situation mo, you are letting that go. At kung ano yung applicable pa sa'yo, yun yung dadalhin mo. Yun yung may iwan pa rin sa'yo. And at the same time, may nagbago na, 'di ba? May magbabago na sa'yo. You are also awakening. So, maaring yung iba, you are finally realizing your worth pagdating sa trabaho mo. Alam mo yung dine-deserve mo. And then, your blessing is the Hierophant. So, some of you, maaring I see a promotion here, lalo na kung nasa mentorship, training, or teaching ka, no? Yung ganun yung career mo. Pwedeng salary increase, or merong promotion, tataas yung ranking mo. Some of you naman, maaring yung mentor mo, no? Meron kang mentor or coach na mag-open siya ng opportunity sa'yo na masasabi mo na, uy, blessing to si coach, ganon. So, for your money, you have the Two of Pentacles. Maaring iba sa inyo, meron kayong, parang dadagdagan nyo yung ipon ninyo, or let's say, hindi lang isa yung savings account mo. Meron ka pang isa na investment naman na mas mag-earn ng mas malaking interest. So, you are now accumulating more money ngayong April dahil na rin sa work, dahil na rin sa improvement, dahil na rin sa growth ng iyong business, ng career mo. And then, for your career, you have the Moon. This is about your dreams, your intuition, your instinct. So, yung iba, meron kayong pinag-aaralan sa trabaho or career ninyo. If masaya pa ba kayo? Kasi may mga times na, yes, you are earning money, malaki ang bigayan, pero ang tanong, okay ka pa ba okay pa ba yung mental health mo? 'Di ba? So, you are contemplating whether is it worth it, no? Worth it pa ba na magstay, or follow your dreams and try new things and go on an adventure, no? Kasi may opportunity ka ngayon na may baguhin sa sitwasyon mo eh. And then, those na walang work, you have Justice. So, this is about balance, equality. Maaring meron kang major decision na gagawin, whether magsistay ka na umaasa sa iba, o maghahanap ka ng sarili mong pera. Kasi 'di ba pag tayo ay nakaasa lang sa iba, limited, no? Yung pwede nating makuha. Unlike kung meron tayong sarili natin pera, mas may security, mas may flexibility para sa iyo when it comes to your spending, or yung sarili mong mga gusto mong plano for your finances. Your career is in the process of upgrade. So, yung iba, like what I mentioned kanina, maaring may merong promotion sa trabaho. This makes sense kasi itong assistance is like mentorship. So, someone is helping you resolving your issues, financial issues, or merong tumutulong sa'yo sa trabaho, sa career mo. You also have the North Star. So, you are facing your future with excitement as you follow your dreams and embracing your passions in life. So, I think ito yung opportunity na nag-open para sa'yo na to finally follow your dreams, no? Embrace a new beginning, or ma-realize mo or ma-acknowledge mo na yung life's purpose mo. Prosperity is flowing. Have faith that you will receive it in the perfect form. Yes. So, yung prosperity daw ay dumadaloy sa'yo. Kailangan lang maniwala ka. Inherent wisdom is emerging at this time. Watch it and ready yourself for a rebirth. O, diba? What did I tell you? Merong rebirth. Yung mga natutunan mo over the years, through learning, through studies, through mentorship, ito ay through experience, no? Ito yung nagli-lead sa'yo, nagre-ready sa'yo for a new beginning. Okay? So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.